This is actually my very first figure from AliExpress. And to be honest, I wasn't sure how good the quality would be. But when I opened it up, I was shocked. The sculpt is clean, the GI looks sharp, and the aura effects around his arms and legs look amazing. The icy base really makes it pop on display. The best part? You get both Super Saiyan Blue and Super Saiyan God in one figure. Two iconic looks for the price of one. For what I paid, this is a steal. Lightweight but solid, and way better than I expected. My first AliExpress figure turned out to be amazing.